Welcome to the Windows Club. If the remember password option is missing in Microsoft Outlook, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. First of all, you need to press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Then in the run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey current user, software, policies, Microsoft Office 16.0, Outlook, security. In the right pane, you will notice an entry named enable remember pwd. Right click on this entry and select delete. Click on yes. This will resolve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.